What's up guys, Tim Little. Welcome back to Tactical Bass, and today I have a few hours. I just got off of work. You guys know that we've been hammered with these fires lately, and you know, today's my day off and I had to work just like the last 2 weeks, you know, so I got a couple hours here in the evening time, and I just want to go fishing. I haven't been out, and I saw Matt's videos. You know, we've chatted a little bit, but you guys know both of us were evacuated. You don't realize how much fishing stuff you really have until you gotta pack it up, and then when you have to unevacuate and organize it all, and what a pain. So I actually just grabbed 5 rods. I think I grabbed 5 rods, all topwater stuff. I'm out here on Clear Lake, so I'm gonna go topwater fishing. I got a frog, I got a toad style bait, I got a buzzbait, I got the new Whopper Plopper 75. What else do I have? That might be it. So guys, let's go do some topwater fishing. What I'm looking for, I'm gonna be looking for some sparse grass, maybe some mats. I don't know what the lake's looking like. Like I said, I haven't been out. It's super smoky. You know, we got the huge fires over here. I think the last update you guys got, Matt mentioned that this fire up here was getting close to being the largest fire in California history. Well, since then it has well surpassed that, and this thing is raging. Luckily it's not near any of the homes anymore. That's why a lot of us got to come back home, but it is still roaring up in the national forest. They're talking about closing the forest for a couple years because it is it's just ripping through there. But enough talking, let's go fishing, guys. Four rods. Toad bait, that's actually the Kitech. Jackal Gavacho frog. Whopper Plopper 75. And Demiki buzzbait. So what I'm looking for grass, I'm looking for mats, I'm looking for sparse grass, something that these bait fish can kind of hide in. The bass will go right in there with them. $7:05. Got about an hour and a half of fishing. Hopefully I can catch something. You know, the benefit to throwing a Whopper Plopper or a horny toad or rage shad, whatever, you know, a buzzbait, something like that, is you cover a lot more water. Right now I'm just trying to locate fish. The downside when you throw the exposed hooks, you know, the exposed hook baits, spend a lot of time pulling grass off your hooks. That's why I have the Whopper Plopper buzzbait and that's actually the Kitech Crazy Flapper. sometimes you just need to fish. You know, for me, I don't even care if I catch anything tonight. It's just getting out and just fishing. Turn the phone off. Just get out on the lake and have a good time.
Woo! And there it is, guys. Woo. After the 2 weeks I've had, it's all about that fish right there.
All right, guys, we're gonna end it on that. Exactly one bite, caught one fish, beautiful 2-pounder. But you know, I was happy just to get out on the lake, just to decompress, take everything in, relax. You know, that's why it's called fishing and not catching. We don't always blast them. You know, we love to. We do a lot of times, but you know, it's just good to get out on the water and clear your mind, clear your head, and just have a good time. So, really, the only bite came on the frog. It was a little interesting. You know, there's a lot of bait fish activity, but I didn't see a lot of blow-ups, a lot of fish activity. You know, I'm trying to find these grass patches or grass mats in the low light, so it's really hard. Another thing against me is a lot of times you want to fish these grass mats and grass patches in high sun, because the fish get in there for shade and it kind of congregates the fish, and it isolates them in those little patches, and they're easier to target. Low light conditions like this, those fish spread out, they disperse, and they start spreading out along this flat and hunting. You can see all these little bait fish flickering, but all in all, a great time. I would have been happy to, I'm just happy to be out. You know, obviously I would have loved to have blasted them, but again, it's fishing and not always catching. You guys, if you guys have any questions, leave them down below in the comment section. Hit that like button if you like to struggle fishing like me. And guys, if you haven't subscribed already, hit that subscribe button. You know, we're coming up on 150,000 subscribers, and Matt and I, we can't say thank you enough. We appreciate you guys so much. You guys are amazing. We will talk to you soon, guys. Next time, we will catch some fish.